We are at Salvation Army Thrift Store with NANCYLIFE TV. Then we're gonna go to Polo Park and go to Aritzia and probably Pink and see what they have over there. But I thought we'd stop here first and see if we find anything interesting because we're thrift horrors. So let's go inside. I need all the footage I can accumulate before I leave for Minneapolis.
I'm gonna upload tonight because I edit that one.
On Friday we have to go, right? For this dollar sweater.
Over it now.
It's so overlog. How much? 30 I'm gonna guess. No, 20.
Saan? Saan lang kita?
I'm disgusting.
There's no price. Oh, right there. Oh, no. No, walang price. Yung walang price. Saka, ano? No, there's no price. But, you know what? It's so
Worn.
It's at $20 for the I want something like that.
Okay? No. Cheer up.
Ralph Lauren. Oh, I have a bag like this before.
That's cute.
There's no price.
Okay, we're looking for Lulu, Pink, and Victoria's Secret. Possibly Aritzia pieces as well. It's a good knockoff, but it's not Pink. What was that? Oh, it's Lulu. It's 14. I don't know if I like
4?
that. Free Planet, if that was Free People.
I really want to, but should I?
There's large. There's large over here. Under Armour, $10. Actually, I'm gonna try and find some Torrid pieces as well because my Torrid top that I thrifted for like $6.99 sold for like $21. So Torrid seems to be a good seller. $20 for that? Oh crap. North Face 30. No. It's a Gucci scarf.
I saw that.
She saw that, but then she saw
I don't know if that's real.
that.
4, 5. Oh no, it's $2.99. It's like because I thought all the scarves are $4.99. Like, see, oh, there is some $2.99. Okay.
Nice. What's it made out of? Silk?
100. It could be fake too, cause look,
No, it could just be old.
it's I don't know.
But who knows?
Who knows? Who knows? There's a label.
Good enough freak. Army girl jeans at top, but I don't know. It's just this logo is faded. I know it's vintage from the 90s because of the label and it's made in Canada. So, but even though Kylie Jenner kind of made it in, it's I don't know if that would sell. And then I was going to get this Diet Coke extra large T-shirt with the official Coke merchandise, but made in China. If it was made in USA or made in Canada, I would have gotten it then. But I don't know. I'm just gonna stick with this one. $100.
Is that for women? Oh no, that's for men.
Yeah, it's for men. It just bends small.
The tag is
Oh, that's hella expensive. Yeah, that guest bag over there, it's cute. Let's go to Anthropologie. Do you think they do batteries here and watch bands?
no. Dun lang sa the road. We have watch repair and battery.
Tommy guns. At Anthropologie.
have Vans there at dun sa Urban Plan for $20.
Okay. Let's go in to at the labels and just see if we ever find them at the thrift store.
See, you could find cloth on style. Who knows, you know? At your store, seriously. 138 for a pair of. You've seen probably just passed by it. Of course, their stuff.
Their old stuff.
Akemi Kin, Akemi plus Kin. They're $54.
What brand is this? Maine. Very expensive. It's like Aritzia. Let's go into the sales section. 20% off. Ooh, cuteness. There's an egg for me. Huh?
$3 for a parcel. It's really good.
What brand is that?
By Anthropologie.
Oh, yeah.
But the label looks like.
This is like cute if we go to the beach. It's very nautical.
Yeah, it's cute. Very, very cute.
Kind of like that.
To them.
Bucks for a tank top. These ones are 50. Can't wear yellow because Nancy said I look dark with yellow. That is my nautical outfit when I go to Vegas and go yachting with hot guys.
Like, why now?
Wow.
No, now.
That's cute. Oh, Saturday and Sunday. This one is cute too. Look at this.
Oh yeah, with the tie. Parang sa Aritzia, they have that style too. Oh my god. BLA.
Pure and good.
Okay. Vlog it so I have reference when I go thrifting. See?
Pure-
More views for you.
Pure and good sounds one. Ari and Ollie.
Oh yeah, I have that brand actually. I bought one. Kapag nag-sale,
No. Let's go into pink. Oh really? That backpack is so cute. Act fast, 25% off pink backpacks.
oh, for this one though.
This one's a cute one, but it's $85.
No, it's the same price as this one. Baka sa thrift store, nila po just $20. Ooh, they have a get a phone case.
Oh, they have XL. I'm an XL kind of gal.
But they're oversized fit. Ano to? Medium, large?
No, large. I like the glitter on here.
Mas way para. Yeah, it's still loose on me.
It's cute.
Yeah, kasha sa ito. Maluwag pa sa akin.
Those are cute. Those are cute. I like this one. This is super cute. But it's,
$30 all pink brown.
that's cute. This is super cute. Love pink. But it's These are cute.
Iba, they sell it as it's like 38 bucks.
Oh, yeah. This is 38.
And they have like spa.
Oh, yeah. They have those totes as well. And then these pouches are $16 for these pouches.
I was here Monday. I was here yesterday.
Go into Aritzia.
So ito sabi dito, made with something.
And it's only $22.
Yeah, 22. I bought this one in.
Hi everybody, it's Miss Philly. I just wanted to do a haul for you guys of things that we got from the last vlog and things that we got from this vlog. So I will show you exactly what we got. So we went to Aritzia and to Anthropologie. Anthropologie, we got these shorts. I don't want to unwrap it because it's really pretty wrapping, but I'll just insert what the shorts looks like over here. And that's what we got from Anthropologie. Me and Nancy and I went there just so we can, you know, familiarize ourselves with the brands that they sell, so that when we go thrifting, we know that these are like items that you can purchase from Anthropologie. So yeah, that's where we went. And then we also went to Pink at Victoria's Secret, but there wasn't really anything. Everything was so overpriced, not overpriced. Everything was so expensive. So it actually makes me happy with all the Pink stuff that I've been getting from the thrift store, because oh my gosh, like those hoodies that I'm getting, they're like $95. Those half zips, long sleeve sweaters or pullovers, those were like $69 plus tax. It is so expensive. So I didn't buy anything there. But then we did go to Aritzia. Aritzia had a sale on recently, but now they don't have any sales in the store, which is kind of weird. I don't know. I guess because they just finished it. But these are the leggings that I got over here. And they were $22, so that was a really good deal for TNA leggings, and they're an XL. I'm hoping I can fit an XL from Aritzia. And then the shorts were $36 from Anthropologie, and those I think were regularly $50 plus tax. So that's what we picked up. At Salvation Army that we went to, I picked up this Torrid top. It's in a size 2. And this was only $4, which is a good deal because Torrid is super expensive. My other Torrid Love sweater that we thrifted, that one sold for $22. So I made a really good profit on that one. I think I paid like $7 plus tax. So I'm going to list this, or maybe even keep it if it really looks cute on me. We'll see. And then from the haul that we picked up, the things that we picked up from yesterday's vlog, we picked up a couple of things. We picked up this Victoria's Secret tank top. This was $7. And it just says, come back to bed. It's a cute tank top. We picked up this Wilfred Free shirt. A little bit expensive for Nancy, so she didn't want it. It was $17, but Wilfred Free is an expensive brand. I think this probably retails for like $40 to $50 at Aritzia. And this was $17. That's what it looks like. And then we picked up this Juicy Couture shirt. I thought it was so cute. It's $7. It's a size large, made in USA. Isn't that the cutest thing? It's like nowhere on this. It is so cute. And then we picked up this. What is this? Oh, this Pink by Victoria. This is the pullover that I was talking about. These are like $69.95 plus taxes at Pink at Victoria's Secret. So that's what it looks like. And it has pink on the back, and this one was only $7, but because there's a stain right here, but I think I can get that out, like right there, that stain right there, but I think we can get that out. But hello, super cute. And for $7 you can't like beat that for $7. And then last but not least, it's a little bit more expensive, but it actually fits me now, and it's a large. It's a Pink by Victoria's Secret. $17 for this top. And it just says, see you never. And it actually fits me now, and it's an open back. And this was $17. So this probably was like $50 in the store. So yeah, I'm really excited with the things that I got. I know a lot of this stuff is to keep for myself, but actually I've been selling some pieces of clothing on line as well. A lot of people have been messaging me on pieces of clothing that they like. So if that ever happens, just send me an email or message me on Instagram or Snapchat, whatever. But yeah, thank you for joining me. We're going to head over to Valley Village here at Polo Park and see if they have anything inside. If we find anything, I will include it in the video. If not, then stay productive, stay progressive, and stay positive. I love you. Bye. And sorry for the brightness. The sun is like totally shining down on me. This guy's kind of cute. So they got a couple of Coach. This is fake, I think. This one is real, but I don't like the style. Oh, they have this. Oh, that's not Coach. What's this? TL.